Yo, yo, yo guys, check. Kamusta kayo mga idol? So ayan, mag-update tayo ngayong araw ng Miyerkules. Tanghali po ngayon. Ayan, kakahatid ko lang sa mga pumasok sa eskwelahan. At ayan, mag-start na tayo mag-update, no? So nga pala, no, sa mga hindi pa na-subscribe, subscribe na kayo. At syempre, palike naman ang video natin, no? Pag-play nyo pa lang, like nyo na yung video. Ganon. 'Di ba? Syempre, saludo sa lahat ng mga sumusupport sa channel natin using super thanks. Yung may nag-super thanks sa atin kanina ay yung last video natin kagabi. Thank you sa iyo, idol, at syempre sa mga nag-membership sa atin. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat, mga idol, no. So ayan, check natin ulit din yung World Liberty Finance, no. Ayan, check natin 'yan. Pero punta muna tayo dito sa ating crypto bubble. So sa crypto bubble natin sa day, medyo okay naman na, no? Actually, medyo umangat pa nga yung XRP nung tinignan ko, mga lods eh. So ngayon, medyo goods naman siya. Sa hours natin, ayan, medyo nagkakaroon tayo ng correction. BGB, medyo nag-drop yung BGB. Maya, check natin yung BGB. So yung FIT, ayan, medyo nag-correction din. 'Di ba? So halos lahat ngayong week, medyo hindi maganda yung start ng week natin. Drop kasi yung start ng week natin. So parang magtutuloy-tuloy siya ngayong week. Sa tingin nyo, next week kaya, mga idol? Kasi sa akin, sabi ko nga sa inyo, yung first half, no, yung first half ng September medyo negative tayo diyan. Sa tingin ko medyo consolidation malala yan sa ilalim, na. Pero pagdating ng August 17 o yung half na tayo ng August tuloy, September, half na tayo ng September, doon na natin malalaman yan pag nag-announce na si Jerome Powell, mga idol, 'di ba? Syempre, ikaw ba naman? Malupit yung iniintay na 'yon. So, etong World Liberty natin, mga lodi, WLFI natin, WFI na nga lang, ang haba eh. Etong WLFI natin, mga lodi, ayan, medyo nasa bottom siya ngayon, mga lods, no? Pero medyo sa tingin ko maganda-ganda tong triangle na to, mga idol, no? Diretso. Parang pa-uptrend na to, mga lods. Parang lang kung titignan natin to. Pero kung bumagsak pa siya dyan, mag-iiba na yan, mawala na to. Kumbaga, ano na to, cancel na to, mga idol. Pero sa ngayon, pag ganito siya sa 1 hour time frame, mga lods, no, siguro pwede rin akong magano dito eh. Pero iniisip ko pa, mga idol eh, medyo Makati kasi ito eh. Makati yung hanggang ilan ba to? Ang leverage kasi ng WL5 hanggang 75. Grabe. No, so hintayin natin kung ano mangyayari diyan, mga lods. No, kumusta yung inyong portfolio, mga idol, no? Medyo kumbaga kumpara ng mga nakaraang araw, medyo nakaahon ng konti ngayon, 'di ba? Yung WL5 lang talaga yung medyo hindi umahon eh. Pero yung iba medyo goods naman. So punta na tayo sa ating mga news. Unahin na natin si Trump, mga idol, no? Dito nag-post si Trump, no? President Trump just released the video of the US military striking a drug boat from Venezuela heading to America, carrying 11 Tren de Aragua narco-terrorist, no? Ito daw yung grupo niyan, yung 11 Tren de Aragua narco-terrorist na yan, who were killed in the strike, no? Sabi ni Trump, earlier this morning on my orders, US military force conducted a kinetic strike. Ano ba yung kinetic strike? Laser ba yun? Kinetic strike against positively identified Tren de Aragua narco-terrorist in the Southcom. Sabi dito, area of responsibility. TDA is a designated foreign terrorist organization. Ayun pala yun, yung TDA. Tren de Aragua. Tama? Tren de Aragua, TDA. Terrorist organization operating under the control of Nicolas Maduro responsible for mass murder, drug trafficking, sex trafficking, and acts of violence and terror across the United States and Western Hemisphere. O ayan, the strike occurred while the terrorists were at the sea, international waters transporting illegal narcotics. So ayan, dyan sila kinana. Mga idol, no? Ayan, no? Andyan yung mga yan, may dalang drugs, mga loads, no? At binira sila dyan. Ayan, no? Paano kaya tinira, no? Missile? Boom, biglaan lang umapoy, no? Putok. Grabe. Ayan, no? Grabe. So may mga issue sa Venezuela ngayon, mga idol. So speaking of Trump, mga lodi, dito sinabi ni Trump, mga idol, no, sige pakinggan niyo kasi may sige na, pakinggan niyo na.
Because they're patriots. I think I give tremendous credit to that judge, and now it's going to the Supreme Court. Now we're going to be asking for early admittance. We're going tomorrow, and we're going to ask for an expedited ruling because when you look at the stock market's down today, the stock market's down because of that. Because the stock market needs the tariffs; they want the tariffs. If you look at AI, all of those, all of that money that's going to be invested, trillions and trillions of dollars, the biggest thing, bigger than the internet, I suspect. It's the internet plus 3 or 4 other things combined. We are leading very substantially with AI. We're leading because of tariffs. We're leading because of talent, and this is where they'd like to be. But without the tariffs, we wouldn't have a chance because we wouldn't be able to protect those investments of the companies coming in. So if you took away tariffs, we could end up being a third world country.
Grabe yun, no? If you take out tariffs daw, mga idol, if you took away tariffs, we could end up being a third world country. Ganun ka-importante daw yun.
That's how big the ruling. So we're asking for an expedited ruling.
Grabe, no? So, ayan, sabi ni Trump, mga lodi, yung tariff ka talaga kasi parang ayan yung ni Trump parang alam mo yun, yung signature niya. Maglagay ng tariff na malupit. So, ito mga lods, basahin natin. Ay, pakinggan muna natin bago ko basahin.
Number 1, they're sealed, and number 2, each window weighs about 600 pounds. You have to be pretty strong to open them up. No, that has to be. Where was the window? Let me see. Which is the window?
It looks like this on the 15th Street side. This is right here.
Yeah, those windows are sealed. Those windows are. They're all sealed. You can't open them. It's the kind of thing they do. And one of the.
Grabe, no? Ang bigat pala nun, mga lodi. Tsaka sealed pala yung mga bintana ng White House. Sabi dito, holy smappy. President Trump tells Peter Doocy to come up to the podium and show him the phony video of a White House window being open. Sabi niya, number 1, they are sealed. No? Number 2, each window weight about 600 pounds. Grabe, ganun pala kabigat yun, no? O, tas armored pa yun, mga idol, no? Armored pa yung window. Sino kaya nagboss nun? Si Kilua. Mga Soldic. Kasi di ba ang bigat ng pinto ng Soldic? Sinapalad ng Hunter x Hunter. Yung gate nila, di ba, kailangan malakas ka. Hindi mabubuksan yun kasi kakainin ka ng malaking aso pag hindi ka dun dumaan. Pag hindi ka dumaan doon sa may gate, kakainin ka ng malaking aso. So, kailangan malakas ka. Nandun ka dadaan. Mabigat yung gate, Grabe. At ito na natatawa na ako. Sabi ko sa inyo, mga idol, yung mga Pinoy talaga magaling gumawa ng meme. Naging meme master na yung mga Pinoy. Ito, nagkaroon na siya ng no? Tapos ang tawag sa kanya, manipulator. Manipulator, mga idol. Ang tindi nun. No, manipulator. Ang galing ng nen mo nun, manipulator ka. No, grabe talaga yung mga Pinoy, no? Ito. Nako, ano to sa Google, no? Gumawa na sila ng L1 layer 1. Layer 1 blockchain, tinatawag nilang Jekyll. Ano tawag dito? Jekyll. Google to launch Jekyll, A new layer. Grabe naman to si Google. Di ka pa nag-google? Bakit Gcool? Pwede po Gcool payment, sabi dito. Ayan na. Gumawa daw ng layer 1 yung Google. Tinawag nilang Gcool. Mga Lodi. Alam nyo na yan. Huwag kayong Gcool ng Gcool. Kasi marami na mga ibang magandang layer 1. Yeah? Pero goods naman niya kung gusto yung Gcool ng Google. Malay nyo, mas maganda yung Gcool ng Google. Ba't kasi ganun? De, tsaka mabilis daw yung Gcool ng Google eh. Medyo yung layer 1 nila mabilis. Tama na nga yan. Tama na yan, mga Lodi. Punta na tayo dito. The Philippine government and Southern Land Global are teaming up to prepare Filipinos for an artificial intelligence-driven future. So AI, mag-a-adapt na tayo ng AI. Mga Lodi, kaya ba umiilaw yung mata ni Bongbong? The AI Academy. The new partnership aims to strengthen the country's talent pool by developing capabilities in demand, such as those of AI specialists, prompt engineers, and cybersec professionals. Ayan. AI Academy has received words of support from President BBM, DICT, Secretary Henry Aguda, and Southern Land Global CEO Dilip Belodi. Si Dilip Belodi, mga Indian to, mga Lodi. Stay tuned for details on the start of AI Academy. So magkakaroon tayo ng adoption sa AI, mga idol, no? At si Bongbong, mukhang ano niya, mukhang ginusto niya to, mga lods, no? So ayan, bangan natin to kung ano to. Pero dati ipasa muna nila yung inaano ng ano, ina-apply nila nila, sino ba yung mga nag-apply ng blockchain? Dalawa yun eh. Bukod kay Bam, meron pa isa. Pero Marcos din pala yung isa na yun. Tsaka pasa nila yung firing squad sa mga sa mga corrupt na, ayan. Nako. Eto mga Lodi, medyo cringe to, mga idol no? Nako, mukhang may iwan sa ilalim tong WL5. We don't know. Basahin natin tong news na to, matindi to. Introducing si Chase Hero. Ito yan, si Chase Hero, mga idol, no? And Zach Polkman. Ayan din, si Zach Polkman. Co-founders of World Liberty Financial o yung ating WL5. With Trump family, no? Kasama syempre, yung family ni Trump at etong dalawang sutoy. Ngayon, na may issue pala to sila. Hero has a documented past with jail time for drug charge. May kaso pala to si Hero. While Polkman run Date Hatter Girls LLC. Their history includes a hacked DeFi platform and significant WL5 earnings. Everything shared in this thread is based on publicly available reporting and court filings. Chase Hero and Zach Polkman have been alleged or reported to be involved in these matters. Nothing here is a final legal judgment unless explicitly stated. Sources are included for transparency. Ayun nga, inulit niya lang. At tinanong ko to kay Grok, mga idol, dito. At sinabi niya na legit yun, sinabi nito ni XT na RP. Na meron talaga silang mga kaso. At si Hero pa nga, nagkaroon pa ng jail time for drugs. At sila ang mga co-founder ng WL5. O anong masasabi nyo ngayon dito, mga idol? Pogi ni Hero. Anong masasabi nyo ngayon dyan? Na ito palang mga to, may mga kaso. Mga idol, nako, delikado si WL5 Nako, yari tayo dyan. So, ayan, inisip ko pa naman, magti-trade ako sa kanya ngayon. Pero pwede naman siguro mag-trade. Di naman ako for long term dito eh. Inisip ko pa naman mag-long dito mamaya. Kahit konti. Nako, mukhang nagiging... Pero sa long term, di ko alam kung goods to o bads, mga idol eh. I don't know. Kasi syempre, gagawa ng paraan ng mga Trump family to eh. 'Di ba? Kung gusto mo sumabay sa kanila siguro, ngayon yung chance para magbodega for long term. For long term, ha? Pero kung may mga ganyong issue, wag mong asahan na magtatagal sa taas to, isa to sa mga magtatagumpay. Pero I don't know mga idol, no? Pwede naman. Hindi ko alam eh. No? Pero syempre, but mas maganda na yung mga goods na project kaysa may mga isyong project, 'di ba? Parang ganun. O ito. Isa pa tong ano, ito mga lodi. O. Panoorin natin 'to kung paano sabihin nila kung ano sa kanila ang mga XRP. At kung ano ang mga XRP army, mga idol, no? Pakinggan niyo mabuti.
Yes, which is why XRP is for retards, and it is retarded.
And
it
evil
is
people.
causing retardation, actually, of Bitcoin adoption. Now, it's hard. Yes, which is why XRP is for retards, and it is retarded.
And
it
evil
is
people.
causing retardation, actually.
Grabe, no? Mga retarded pala tayo. Sabi na ito ni Puigo eh. Ito, mga lodi, no? Sinagot niya sila ni 24 Hours Crypto, mga lodi, no? Bitcoin holders are retarded, parang binalik niya lang. Just think about it, in 2008, no? The system collapsed. Ito yung yung great recession 2008. In 2008, the system collapses. And out of nowhere, some ghost creates Bitcoin. So parang inaano niyo yung Bitcoin dito, mga lodi. No pace, no accountability, no leadership, and mysteriously, nobody even questions who these people are. They just chant Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin like zombie. Sabi niya. It's the exact same psychology as COVID-19 when they brainwash everyone into lining up for vaccines. Repeat the script. Silence the questions, call it truth. Di ba? But strip away the hype. No utility daw, Bitcoin, no scalability, no payments, no foundation. The only thing keeping Bitcoin alive is delusion. If everyone stopped buying, if everyone sold, it's game over instantly. That's not innovation, that's not value. That's mass hypnosis. That's a cult, sabi dito ni 24 Hours Crypto, mga lodi, no? So, tama ba yun, no? Kapag lahat, wala nang bumili ng Bitcoin, kapag lahat, binenta na yung Bitcoin, tapos ang Bitcoin, mga lodi, no? That's not innovation, that's not value. Ikumpara mo sa XRP, si XRP hindi naman siya ganun, kasi meron siyang use. Meron siyang utility to solve problem globally. 'Di ba? So hindi mo siya kailangan, sabi nga nila, it's not for retail eh. 'Di ba? Kasi gagamitin mo yung XRP para ma-solve mo yung problem. Eh yung Bitcoin naman daw wala namang sinasolve na problem. Ganun 'yun. Ang sinasabi nila, hindi ako. 'Di ba? So, ayun, bahala diyan, mga idol. Sila naman nagsasabi, retarded daw yung mga nag-XRP. So kung ayaw nyo matawag na retarded, huwag kayo mag-XRP. Neto, kung ayaw matawag na retarded neto, di Sotoy. Ayan. Tapos, eto, isipin nyo Ripple and SBI plan to distribute RLUSD in Japan. In all Japan yan, mga idol, no? I-distribute nila yung RLUSD, no? Partner kasi talaga yan, Ripple and SBI, mga idol, no? Ilang beses na natin na news yan. Walang use. Wala bang use? Walang use. Bagay, sabi, yung RLUSD naman yun, hindi naman yung XRP. Every time na ginagamit po si RLUSD, nabiburn po yung XRP. No? So, ito. United Nations highlights Ripple and Stellar in the future financial system. United Nations to, mga lodi, UN. This clip comes from United Nations Capital Development Fund webinar. They describe an open and regulated payment internetwork that allows payments to anyone, anywhere, on any network, emphasizing interoperability. Ripple and Stellar are directly mentioned and clearly shown in the international payments diagram as central parts of the global payments network. Nako, baka hindi naman kayo naniniwala. So, pakinggan natin, mga idol, na kung nabanggit ba talaga yung Ripple tsaka yung
all of the existing networks. And this is kind of what it would look like. It's not a new system, but it connects existing systems. So no matter whether it is incumbents like SWIFT, Visa, MasterCard, or some of the newer networks like Ripple, Stellar, Celo,
Ayan, no?
a payment should be able to
Ripple, Stellar, Celo. Di ko alam yung Celo eh. Basta Ripple, Stellar, binanggit niya mga Lodi. Sa UN kasi to mga Lodi. United Nations, tas webinar nila. Diba? O, nabanggit ba yung iba? Nabanggit ba yung Bitcoin? Hindi natin alam. Finally, direct confirmation. Ripple and Tunes are combining Tunes network with Ripple blockchain powered payment solution to allow Ripple enterprise customers to more easily withdraw funds in new currencies and countries. This has always been hard to confirm in print, no? So na-confirm na nila ngayon mga Lodi, no? Na malupit ang partnership ng Ripple at ng Tunes. Oh, ayan, grabe yan. Ano ba to? Ayan. So ito mga idol. Sa tingin nyo ba, pakinggan lang natin to, no? Kung babagsak pa ba o bababa pa ba ang XRP ngayong cycle, no? Pakinggan natin si Jake Klaber.
Do you think XRP's price can dump one more time? I would love it to. I don't think it's going to happen. I know everybody wants to, when it was 50 cents, nobody wanted to buy it. They were like, that's garbage. No, everybody hates XRP, blah, blah, blah. And then when it gets to $2, everybody wants to go back to 50 cents. You had 3 years to buy it at 50 cents or 30 cents or 40 cents or whatever it was. It ain't coming back. I'm sorry to tell everybody. Like, she's up, she's got volume. It's going to be sustained here because of the ETFs, because of the TWAP and VWAP and them entering the market. They're not letting it come back down. But we were already seeing it come back down if it was going to. There's a bunch of stuff that drove up and then it's back down 90% since it went up. XRP hadn't done that. It's back on the line here where there's been support on the Bitcoin and XRP chart. I think it's up from here. Especially if Bitcoin keeps going up from here, it's only up from here for XRP. And if we do see, these other catalysts like I've been talking about with the reverse carry trade and, adoption for the back-end settlement of the stock market and these ETFs, you're not going to care if you bought it at $2.30 or you bought it at $2.40 or you bought it at $2 when it's $100 or $200 or $500. Like, I know everybody wants the most they can get on stuff, but dollar cost averaging is going to be your best bet 99.9% of the time. When you have some extra liquidity, buy a little bit. Don't leverage yourself or over leverage yourself to the point where you can't make your bills or can't pay other stuff. But if you can invest some and you can dollar cost average into a market, that is the way to do it. Trying to time the market, you're not going to do it. Like it's like 1% of traders that ever time the market well. And those that dollar cost average in, you're going to win. Like you can't lose doing that. You're going to get highs and lows, but your average is going to be pretty fair. Do you think?
Grabe yan mga, ang ganda na sinabi ni Jake doon, mga idol, no? Kasi kapag umabot nga naman ng mga hundreds of dollars o $50 yung XRP, wala ka nang pakialam kung saan mo nabili. Kung nabili mo yun ng $2, $2.5, $3, pag umabot na yun sa hundreds of dollars, wala, it doesn't matter na yun, mga idol, no? Tsaka yung sinabi niya na DCA, dollar cost average, na huwag kayong mag-over leverage sa sarili nyo. Halimbawa, hindi nyo na mababayaran yung mga bills nyo kasi tinodo nyo na lahat sa coins. Dapat hindi ganoon. Yung may chance lang kayo na bumili, na magbudega, goods na yun, mga idol, no? Hindi mo kailangang saktan yung sarili mo lang para makabili ka lang ng XRP. Hindi mo kailangang gipitin yung sarili mo para makabili ka lang ng coins o makapagbudega ka lang. 'Di ba? Kung ano lang yun nandiyan, kung ano lang meron, ayun lang. Mga idol, sabi niya nga, 'di ba? Hindi ka matatalo. There's na kumbaga, hindi ka pwedeng matalo kung nagbubudega ka lang, dollar cost average ka lang, nag-DCA ka lang, tapos pang long term ka. Goods na goods 'yun, mga idol, no? So ang ganda ng sinabi niya doon, mga lods, no? So yun, sana meron kayong natuwa kayo doon. Tapos eto naman, mga lodi, no? Pakinggan natin 'to.
You mentioned the speed of cross-border payments and the opaqueness of that process, and I guess the error-prone to some extent with SWIFT. Santander seems to be trying to approach it with a partner.
Sabi dito, binako kasi may tugtog eh. Nakakainis, ba't kaya nilalagyan ng tugtog? Nakaka-copyright kasi yung tugtog eh. Santander seems trying to approach a partnership with Ripple. Just curious, sabi niya. What is your thoughts? What's your thoughts are on that? Sabi niya, no? So magsasalita na yung baset, ayan. Bye-bye. Cross-border is one of the most compelling. We know that intermediation. Sabi niya. Chains cross-border are long and quite fake in their slow, no? So ngayon meron daw mga bago, mga Lodi, no? They can be quite costly. So may sense the technology with appropriate safeguards, sabi, could make a material impact, likely will. It may well be thought partnership model. Hindi ko na mabasa. Partnership model I don't want to pronounce. Alam niyo kung ba't I don't want to pronounce, mga Lodi? Kasi nung nangyari to, mga Lodi, pasok sila sa NDA, so yung non-disclosure agreement. So hindi nila pwedeng sabihin yun si XRP, mga Lods. No, partnership, I don't want to pronounce any particular approach. But there's a variety of partnership out. No? Reduce fiction and increase transparency for those sense of very optimistic. So, ayun nga, mga Lodi, no? Parang dito, nilinaw lang din. No? Kasi una, binanggit na nung nagtanong yung Ripple, eh. Siyempre, yung Santanders, hindi nila babanggitin muna yun na partner nila sila no, kasi nga nasa NDA sila, mga Lods. Pero matik na yun, common sense na lang yun, mga Lodi. So ayun, grabe yung ating mga news ngayon, from President Trump, mga idol, to manipulator, ayan, to Jikul. At syempre, eto goods din to, mga Lodi. Hintayin natin yung follow-up news natin dito sa AI ni Bongbong, no? Ayan. So, ito pa rin. Ako, matindi dito, mga Lodi. Magtitiwala pa ba kayo dito sa WL5? Kasi syempre, Trump family, sa kanila to, mga idol, no? Kumbaga, bata nila tong WL5, eh. Syempre, gagawa nilang paraan yan para mag-pump yan. Pero, ang tanong, magpa-pump kaya? So, ayan. Grabe. So, ayan yung news natin ngayon, mga idol, no? Grabe. Hintayin natin kung ano mangyayari sa mga sunod na araw. Mga Lods, kita-kits tayo. Alam nyo naman, everyday, nag-update tayo. Huwag nyo kalimutang i-like yung video natin. Subscribe sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, mga idol. At syempre, salamat sa lahat ng sumusuporta. Mamayang gabi, basa tayo comment, mga idol, no? Shoutout sa lahat ng sumusuport. Check nyo yung link dyan sa description sa baba, mga idol, ng video natin. So, yun lang. Kita-kits tayo mamaya. Magandang araw sa inyo, mga kapatid. At
what's up? Subscribe to Clefs TV, subscribe to Jeblo. If you want to, subscribe to me. It's a link in the description. Also, if you don't subscribe, look at that guy. I'll be king that guy.
Sige na. Ayun lang, mga idol. Kita-kits. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Uy, nagpakita pa si Merwem. Yan. Kita-kits.